Our day 2 at Missouri begins. As soon as we woke up, we headed to the balcony for this amazing view. Post which I cooked breakfast for everybody. We had white sauce Maggie and toast for breakfast. We are leaving for Missouri Eco Park. Mehak.
ये देखो क्या कह रहे हैं, एक सामने मंकी है, ये नहीं दिख रहा है इनको।
ये महक की कोशिश थी मेरी उड़ाने की। We are on our way. So we've arrived. On the right there is a ticket counter. They charge a nominal fee of 25 per person. At the entrance there are these shops. However, shopping from Mall Road is more preferred. These are the Garhwali dress photo booths. They charge 100 rupee per picture. This place has a lot of things in store. Theme park, boating, in-house food court as well as other restaurants and this lovely waterfall. This beautiful garden stretches alongside the food court. Now we are heading to George Everest. It's hardly 20 minutes away from the Missouri Eco Park and here we are. We've arrived. Go past this barricade to enter. Here's Mehak. All excited. We jogged for about half an hour and reached somewhere. Trekking up to the peak can consume more than half of your day, but if you got time, it's totally worth it. We had to rush to leave for Landor to join our friends for lunch. Introducing the Pahari kid Parth we met on our way. Roughly 30 minutes from George Everest, this place is known for good cafes and serene view. Hi guys, we are in Landor and we waited for Cafe Ivy. But they were still waiting and so we ate at this Himgiri cafe and we are leaving from here. The Cafe Ivy is very beautiful but since today is Saturday, it's very crowded. So we are heading to Landor Bakery. There's waiting here too, so we decided to stroll around. It was 1 degree Celsius and the cold breeze was caressing our face. Few steps ahead there was this church which was shut due to COVID restrictions. Then we came across a bungalow which we heard was owned by the owner of the bakehouse. By 6 we were at the Mall Road again. We got these fridge magnets as mementos for our friends. The Mall Road is full of such sculptures and paintings. In front of a diversion there is this photo booth. Post evening, due to the lighting here, this place seemed always crowded. I did peep inside the door for real. Then we headed for dinner. The cuisine we chose was South Indian, so we came to this Udupi restaurant. The service was faster than we expected. And then we came up to our room, to this balcony again, to witness these stars beneath. We sat for a while, arranged our bags and packed everything. It was our checkout the next day. Hi, so we are checking out from the hotel and we are leaving. Missouri trip ends. Here we have Nish. Nish, how was the trip?
Fab.
Ratsi! What do you have to say about the trip?
Oh man, I can't wait to be back on another trip now.
And the view was so amazing. Just superb. We had a great time in Missouri. Missouri was great. So we took the help of these rickshaw pullers again to drop us till our car. It's 10 a.m. and the freshness of this place is mesmerizing. We wish we could have stayed here for a few more days. So this was the part 2 of our Missouri trip. Coming up next is our stay at Dehradun. Stay tuned and until next time, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to Banka Species.